Thank you for choosing SOS BK class. As you begin your pre-filing credit counseling course, your success is important to us. Let's go over the course requirements to ensure your obtainment of a certificate of completion. There are 3 course requirements to receiving a pre-filing credit counseling certificate: the online coursework, reviewing of the financial analysis, and interaction with a credit counselor. All 3 steps must be completed before your certificate can be issued. The first step is to take the online coursework. You will access the coursework by logging in to your user profile and clicking on the Pre-Filing Bankruptcy Credit Counseling link. The course is available anytime, and don't worry if you're not able to finish it all at once. You can pick it back up where you left off anytime by logging back in and selecting the section you were last studying. After you complete the coursework, one of our credit counselors will review the information you provided and prepare for you a financial analysis. You will receive an email alerting you that the financial analysis is ready for your review. Go ahead and begin now with the coursework, and be sure to watch the video at the end of your course to help guide you with the last 2 steps.